In this video, I show you how to fix package installer keeps dropping problem or package installer has a stopper problem. For fix this problem, go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on show system app. Now search for package installer. Tap on package installer. Tap on force stop. Tap on OK. Tap on storage and cache. Clear storage. Then delete. Now tap on three dot. Now tap on reset app preference. Now tap on reset apps. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now install any file or app. Now I hope that this method fix package installer keeps stopping or package installer has stopped problem.